Hey, yo, Tyrell. Fuck Toto. We're filming this shit, man.
Get your ass on the right side of the road.
Look, I don't mean to mom shame. Okay, moms rule. Moms are the best. I actually can't.
Him.
The thing about emergency medicine, you never know what you're gonna get.
I need help here.
Even though you do everything right.
Step outside the relationship given his busy schedule. Do you have some infidelity tendencies? Estimate what his type is. I would unfortunately have to say I think Brother Drewski prefers a non-African woman. She is not a melanated queen. My first question, as a white woman, as a Caucasian young lady,
Damn.
why do you want to marry a black man?
She's actually never dated a white dude at all, ever.
Okay.
She dated all
So she loves chocolate, nothing but chocolate milk.
That's why we call her white chocolate.
Why?
Yeah, she loves chocolate milk.
I'm just not attracted. I'm just not. They just don't do it for me.
The white guys don't do it for you. What are you attracted? But you would have a lot of people have.
What were we thinking about when he said that?
Fuck some.
Just.
Huge. Still working woman. That's some 10 on that motherfucker. Oh my, look at these partners right now. Details and then those details, they fucking.
Okay, is that a problem? A deal breaker?
I mean, how many of them have like? What's the ratio?
Oh, damn. Really have to go through all of the. Okay, I have it.
Again, he doesn't say any names, but here is how people in how when I listen to it, I'm like, oh, he's definitely talking about Chris Brown and the.
And her husband, get the vanilla frosting. You're on a diet. All flavors of frosting are bad for you, man. Not strawberry, it's got fruit in it, dummy. I'm attracted to one-star women. I think they're hot. I'll probably wind up marrying a one-star. It won't be good. I'll be raising her 9 kids. Bunch of step-kids running around calling me great.
I was hired as just with the mess. So she started reading and delivering details and all that.
Yo, Gabe. Who do that after Charlamagne's donkey? Who you giving your donkey to, Charlamagne?
A coach named Jim Zoo.
Fuck, man. We got the ass out there going on, y'all. We got the. I need to go to that one.
Okay, right? Your girl call. Oh man.
jacklegs to be coming up here talking about, hey, see what they preaching is prosperity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But see, that's why I'm gonna go into the ministry.
Come on now, you
Hey,
thinking that?
Ocho,
Yeah.
Ocho.
Yes, sir.
Well, just hilarious. The donkey of the day for Monday, March 31st goes to two 17-year-olds named Fernando Amaya and Christopher Portillo Luna. Okay, both of these young men are from Texas, Houston, I believe. And I want every single teenager, every single young person listening to me right now to learn from these two individuals' mistakes. See, Fernando and Christopher are friends, and I put friends